single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something.
Hi guys, good morning. So, warm up na naman tayo and we are going to ng Tung Chai Waterfalls today with Gemma. So, I'm here at Kaluntong Station at the moment and we are taking the MTR to the East Rail Line going to Tai Wo Station. So, let's go! So guys, we are here at Tai Wo Station and we are taking the exit A going to Tai Wo Plaza. We're gonna turn left here and we will go to McDonald's. Kasi kakain pa kami, hindi pa kami kumain. So guys, we are here in front of McDonald's and we're gonna cross the street here. We are taking the bus number 64k going to Yonlong West. And then we will get off at Nang Tung Chai bus stop. We will just walk forward a little bit more because the bus stop is just right at the back of the escalator. And there you are, number 64k. So we're gonna wait for the bus. Just got out from the bus and we have to walk back a little bit. Up. So we just arrived here at the junction and we are still following the sign going to Nang Tung Chai Waterfalls here on the ground. So let's go straight up. Keep on going up. So we arrived here at the junction, and then a board map, so you can go directly to the bottom falls this way, but we want to go up here because we want to start at the top down to the bottom falls. So let's go, Gemma.
Okay, go. I go first.
We're going up.
Ito.
Yeah,
Medyo pataas kami.
it's 1 hour and a half. But we're not going to Tai Mo Shan, right? We're going to waterfalls. We start at top down to the bottom. Hi guys, so we arrived here at the junction, and we are following the signpost going to Tung Chai Waterfalls that way, because this way is going to Tai Mo Shan. Oh, gusto mo mag-picture?
Mamaya na.
Hindi na tayo babalik dito.
Ay, hindi na ba?
So we are heading this way. Guys, ang sarap dito, ang lamig. Fresh na fresh, kahit pawis na pawis kami. So we're almost there at the waterfalls. We just continue the path heading there. Gemma. Gusto mo pumunta sa cave?
Oo, mamaya.
So guys, this is the main falls, and it is at 30 meters high and the tallest waterfalls in Hong Kong.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist.
So we are going down now to the middle and bottom falls. Let's go!
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing go.
So guys, we are now back on the trail and we are going down. We will be retracing our steps back to Mantak Monastery and back to Lamcom Road. And then after that, we will take the bus number 64k back to MTR station. So guys, about the trails, some area are steep and narrow and it really gets slippery when it is wet. So be mindful and extra careful when you come up here during rainy days. And so to the waterfalls, I think it was a good plan for us to come up here after days of heavy rain, as the water flows majestically from above. I think, and I just thought that it was all worth it after a long and arduous hike. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video and thank you for watching. I will see you on my next trail. Bye!